welcome back to my channel, guys. So we're gonna do Coke challenge because it was requested. So we have a pull through. Is it me? So this is part 2. If you don't know watch part 1 yet, scroll all the way down and watch it, and then come back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. You see me? And leave a comment. I don't say that already, but still leave a comment about me know which other video you want to see from me. So yeah, this is my cousin. We're gonna do, yeah. Who first belch before I could finish, I forget one dear. Yeah, probably make my other cousin give me beer for do, cause we never get no what in there for each other. But anyways, let's get into the video. Wait, let me get the thumbnail. Come on, girl, what is something? Alright, get into it. Get into it. Get into the coffee here. Ready?
I feel like I'm gonna lose today one day.
Let's see.
Come on.
Don't belch.
Same. How damn fight mean, sweetie? Yeah, why am I?
Come on, belch. Come. Why? Mighty God. It make me feel like something that bubble up in my belly. Anyway, sorry for the belch there, guys. And we're done moving. So she have to get one beer.
And I ate mint sweetie.
Yeah, I love it. Just make me feel like something bubble up in my belly, and then just make me feel hungry. Bibas. Yeah, give me one day for you to do.
Eat.
But I was not enough.
No,
You are?
a spoon of salt.
Yeah, that no bad. Thought that you one good beer.
Oh,
I don't know, still in the hard. Guys, commercial break, me soon come back. Then go for a spoon of salt.
One little teaspoon na. Little teaspoon there. Yeah, one in there, good girl.
Pull it.
The bread. Oh, and the water there.
Like water.
Oh, that thing like I should want to drink
I
that.
eat with, just make juice. I eat with make juice with.
Where? I mean, I like water, so I'm top drinking.
Guys, ooh, the salt. Eat it up, yum yum. Eat it up, yum yum. Eat it up, yum yum. Eat it up. As a real G. As a real G. Man, baby, send up your blood pressure now.
I will shut back them ones.
Leave that to you.
Come stop this to me.
The blood of Jesus. Stop from milk and cheese.
Did you come stop with something a minute?
So just one there.